Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really practical Smartsheet tip, how to set up date-based triggers to keep your deadlines on track. If you've ever found yourself missing a task or scrambling at the last minute, these automated reminders can be an absolute game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a workflow that sends notifications at just the right moment, so nothing falls through the cracks. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine this scenario. You've got a project plan in Smartsheet and it's full of tasks, each with its own due date. You want to make sure your team stays on top of upcoming deadlines without manually checking every row. Setting up a date-based trigger will automate those reminders, kind of like having your own digital assistant watching the calendar for you. The first step is to set up your trigger. In this example, we'll create a workflow that runs once, specifically on August 24th. To do this, open your Smartsheet, head to the Automation tab and start a new workflow. When you're choosing the trigger, select the option to run once and set the exact date for August 24. Think of this as scheduling a one-time wake-up call for your sheet. Smartsheet will peek in on your data on that date and look for anything that needs attention. Next up, we need to create a condition. This part tells Smartsheet what asterisk to look for when the workflow runs. In our example, we want the workflow to check rows where the due date column contains August 25. You'll set this by adding a condition block in your workflow, picking the due date field, and telling it to look for values matching Aug 25. Here, why this matters so much. Let's say you have a task due August 25, but you want to give people a heads up the day before. By configuring it this way, Smartsheet can identify only those rows that actually need a reminder, so your alerts are timely and relevant, not just noise. Once the condition's in place, we move on to the action. This is where the magic happens. Choose the Alert Someone action and pick whoever needs to be notified. Maybe it's yourself, a teammate, or the whole crew. You can customize the message that gets sent so it's clear what's due and when. For instance, you might include the task name, deadline, and any instructions, making sure the recipient knows what's expected. Imagine this like an automated post-it note popping up on someone's virtual desk. Hey, don't forget, this task is due tomorrow. It's a subtle nudge that keeps things moving without you having to chase down reminders. That's really all there is to it. The workflow looks like this. On August 24th, Smartsheet scans your sheet for any task with a due date of August 25 and then alerts the right person. It's quick to set up but incredibly powerful for staying organized and reducing stress near deadlines. If your sheet has lots of dates and assignments, you can easily tweak the workflow to run at different times or for different conditions. Just remember, fine-tuning these settings up front can save you hours and headaches down the line. Don't worry if this setup takes a few tries the first time. It's perfectly normal to experiment with the conditions and see how the alerts come through. If you ever want to change the recipient or the wording of your message, you can jump back into your workflow and edit those details. And that's it. With this simple setup, you'll never miss a critical deadline or leave your team in the dark. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button, leave any questions or tips in the comments. I love hearing your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials. See you in the next video.